Okay, all right. There is another interesting format inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, you can enter new data automatically by Excel. Okay, there is two format that we call it as autocomplete and also autofill. Okay, what it means by autocomplete? Okay, Excel will complete a text entry for you after you type the first few characters of text that appear in a previous entry in the same column. Please remember that. Okay, you press enter key to accept the text. Okay, otherwise you can continue typing the new text. Okay, so let me show you what is the meanings of autocomplete. Okay, so example here. Okay, at cell B2 I want to type text of CFS. Okay, so when I press enter, okay, in the new line, in the new row, but the rules, okay, it must be in the same column. And when I type the first character, they will give you the previous entry that start with C. So if you choose to use the same word, you just press enter. Alright, but if contoh, alright, if you type C but you don't want to use this tag, so you can continue typing. Example center for foundation studies. Okay, all right, so that what it means by autocomplete. Okay, so another format, okay, is autofill. Okay, Excel will automatically fill selected cells with data by user dragging at the fill handle of a cell. Okay, autofill can be used to fill in names of months, days of days in a week, and the series of sequential numbers. Okay, so if you see here, they also give you an examples. Okay, so now let's open our Microsoft Excel again. All right, so now I will show it to you what is the meanings of autofill. Okay, example. Okay, we want to type, okay, the day. Example, we start with Monday. Okay, so all right, make sure you click again. Okay, you highlight the cell that you start the autofill text. And then can you see there is a small black box here, small black box. Okay, and then when you move your cursor at that black spot, okay, they will change into another plus sign. This is what we call it as autofill handle. Okay, so and then you drag the autofill handle, they will automatically, okay, display the patterns of the days in a week for you. Okay, is it magic? Okay, so when it finish, okay, example here, if you refer here, this is a pattern. Okay, Monday until Sunday. Once, okay, they finish the pattern, they will start again with the first pattern, okay, of the day. And then it's not necessary you just can drag down. Okay, you also can use the autofill handle to drag to the left, to drag to the right. Okay, or you want to drag up, example here. Okay, they will follow the same pattern. Okay, all right. So another example is, okay, you also can enter numbers, okay, in autofill. Example, when I type 1, okay, so I want to enter a numbering. Here you go to autofill handle. If you see here, at the first time, okay, they will copy the content of the cell. So how you want to make it as autofill? Can you see there is a small box here? When you move your cursor to this box, is name it as a autofill options. Okay, so you click this autofill options, then you choose fill series. It's automatically display the numbers for you. Okay, all right, another example, another magic that I want to show it to you, okay, is a example. I have number 2 and then I want the next number is multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, that next number will be 4. Okay, so if you want these types of pattern, what you need to do is first, okay, please tell the Excel the two patterns, how the patterns that you want. Example, 2 and then multiplied by 2. Okay, and then highlight both cells, use autofill handle, and you drag. So Excel will know the patterns that you want. Okay, all right. So this is a pattern inside, means automatically has been saved inside your Microsoft Excel. How about if you have your own pattern, okay, that you want to save inside your Microsoft Excel? What you can do is you go to File, okay, File ribbon, and then can you see there is one button, Options, okay, and then you will get this dialog box. Okay, all right, and then you go to Advanced, okay, and then you scroll down, okay, until you see one button named as Edit Custom List. You click this button, okay, you will see, okay, the list that has been saved inside your computer. So the list will be different with this tutorial video list, because this is the list that has been installed in my computer. Okay, it might be different with your list. Okay, so this is the list. So if you want to add your own your own pattern, you can click this add button. Okay, so now you type the entry. Okay, example, we want it to be Ahad, okay, comma, Isnin, comma, Selasa, comma, okay, we type until Sabtu. Okay, alright, so this is a new pattern that I want to add into my computer. I want to save inside my computer, and then I can click add. Okay, so you will see, okay, the new entry, okay, that we have typed before, they move into the custom list. Alright, and then you click OK. You click OK again. Now I want to try. I start with Rabu example. When I press enter, okay, I use autofill handle, and then I just drag. You will see, okay, they will follow the pattern. Okay, all right. So this is what is the meanings of autofill. Okay, all right. So another format that I want to show it to you is the format painter. Okay, format painter. Okay, when you see at the home ribbon, there is one button here named as a format painter. It will copy the formatting from one place, okay, and apply it to another place. It's only copy the formatting. Please remember that. It's not copy the content. Okay, example. Okay, I format this text. Okay, this Rabu text. I change. Okay, example, I change the font type. Okay, I put a background color. I change the font colors. Okay, and then, okay, let me show you something how we want to rotate your text. Okay, so you can right click, format cells. Okay, you will get the format cells dialog box. Under alignment tab, can you see there is one option here is the orientation. Okay, so you can rotate your text, okay, for how many degrees that you want. Okay, this is just a formatting. Okay, example here, I click OK, so they will format it into this orientation. Okay, so I want to show it to you actually the functions of format painter. Okay, so now I highlight the cell that I want to copy the format. So I click the format painter. When you move your cursor into your worksheet, they will change into another signs of mouse cursor. Okay, then I implement to another text. You will see here, they will copy the same format only. Okay, remember that they will copy only the format, it's not the content of the cell.